Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today I will cook the stir-fry noodle with beef. My coworker, they request me they want to eat a Asian noodle, and now I'm already prepared. Okay, this one noodle. This noodle is already boiling and soft, and we have some vegetable. It's already boiling because it's better when you boiling before you cook. Okay, before you stir fry. And I got some broccoli. It's already boiling too. And this one is an Asian mushroom. Okay, and this one is called bean sprout. It's everything boiling on a vegetable. Okay, the beef is already cut and have some dry pepper and tofu, and there's some sauce, something like that, you know, and black pepper. So let's do it. Is everything already prepared? Work on. Let's start to cook noodles.
I'll push all my chips and go all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
There you go. Something here.
Way back a year ago.
White sauce. That's very spicy. I don't know now. Okay, are you done right now? And vegetable. It's already good, right? Now time to add noodles. Noodles gonna boil. I put some oil so it won't stick together. It's easy to do this. You don't waste any food, okay? So do this all coming out. Mixing up all together, so it's good taste. Something all the time. Stop. Six little on top of it.